My name is Reesie, and I work for Jefferson Davis Parish Library in the Elton branch. And today we are cooking with the Librarians. This is my oldest son, Carlton, and this is his daughter, Nikki. And together we're gonna cook up some chocolate worms. We have the LaChoy dry noodles, we have milk chocolate chips, and we have butterscotch chips and the condensed milk. And we're gonna show you how to make those. So let's get started. Are you ready, Nikki?
Yeah.
Okay. So first, what we're gonna do, Carlton, grab the chocolate, put it in the pot, and we're gonna melt them down.
Yeah, we gotta make some cake.
Yes. And Daddy's gonna stir it up while we do that.
Yeah.
But you know what? We might have to help Daddy to turn the stove on.
Yeah.
To remind him to turn the stove on a low heat so the chips don't stick.
Okay.
So turn the stove on, Dad. Medium. All right, we got that covered.
High five.
Get Daddy 5.
Good job.
Now,
We're gonna make some cake.
Gotta make some cake.
so Nikki, what is the best part for you with this?
What?
Are you having fun yet?
Yeah. We gotta make it a party for Mommy's house.
We're gonna make it pretty for Mommy's house?
Yeah. To party.
For a party, that's right.
Yeah. Mommy, we gotta make your party to house. We gotta make some cake.
Yes, and it's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
All right, so while Daddy's melting those and stirring them up real good, Riri's gonna open the condensed milk.
Yeah.
Look how good that is.
That was for to make some cakes.
Wanna taste? Taste it? You smell it?
Yeah.
Okay, taste it.
It smells delicious. It makes some cakes.
Yes. So we're gonna pour half of that in there.
Whoa.
And that's about half. And we're gonna set it aside till we save it for the next.
Daddy, we gotta make some cakes.
Yup. Making some cakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow.
It's gotta make some cakes.
Is it melting yet, Nikki?
Yeah.
While Daddy's melting that,
And we're
You know
gonna
what?
make some cakes.
why don't you come help Riri open these and pour them in there? You gonna help me do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now hold the can. Let's put this down. All right. You gonna open it?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Good job, Nikki. Set that to the side.
Okay.
Big girl. Can you pour that in a bowl for Riri?
Yeah.
All right. Let's pour a little bit of milk so it can loosen up for Dad.
And make some cakes.
Yes.
Daddy, we gotta make some cakes.
Wait a minute, yeah, Shane, we gotta make some cake.
Oh, you're good, Daddy?
Are you getting it?
No, you get.
Is it loosening up, Daddy?
You wanna help Daddy stir?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Stir. You gotta go in a circle. Good job. Such a big girl. Look, you see? See how
And what the milk does, just loosens up the chocolate so you're able to work the chocolate better into the noodles.
Yeah.
So, Carlton, is it ready? Do you think it's ready?
Yeah.
Looks about ready.
Mm-hmm.
Very
Lumpy.
lumpy.
So you still need to stir it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I guess stir with this.
You gonna stir it with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stir it.
Stir it up. Don't touch the pot. Let Daddy hold the pot.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That was awesome.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Nicolette is cooking it up.
Woohoo! Go ahead, Nikki.
Good job,
Pick it up.
Nikki.
Pick it up.
Wow.
Whoa.
All right.
That's so cool.
That's chocolate.
That's
You want to put it in here so it
cool.
don't drip all over? Good job.
Oh, shoot, you left that.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it ready?
Mhm.
You think so? What does it taste like?
Want to taste it?
Is it good? She done licked it.
Oh.
Go for it, babies.
Whoa.
Okay. Let's put that in there, and then we're going to help Daddy. We're going to hold the bowl while Daddy pours the chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Okay,
Okay.
you gotta hold the bowl.
Hold the bowl.
Okay.
Daddy's going to pour the chocolate in.
Whoa.
Wow.
You're gonna make some cakes. Daddy, you pour up some chocolate and make some cakes.
Yeah. Okay, Daddy, take the spoon and stir it up quick.
Take the spoon. Whoa.
Mix it up real good, Daddy.
Make some room.
Okay, Dad, drop a little spoon
Drop the little spoon.
in stacks.
Whoa. We gotta make some cakes, Mommy.
Woohoo! Say, we call these chocolate covered worms, but some people know them as haystacks.
Haystacks.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Well, thank you.
Look at your finger. You got some chocolate.
Got some chocolate. Would you like some?
Yum, yum. And that is Cooking with the Librarian with my son Carlton and my granddaughter Nikki. This is the chocolate covered worms, and we're going to do the same with the butterscotch, and all same ratios, and then we're going to eat.
And there's chocolate worms. There's,
Butterscotch worms.
bushcraft worms.
What is it?
Bushcraft worms.
Butterscotch worms.
Yeah,
Right.
that's worm.
That is the conclusion of Cooking with the Librarian. Thanks to my son Carlton and his daughter Nikki. And this is going to be lovely, and I'm sure the ladies are going to want some tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.
Bye.
Tell them bye.
Bye.